Hi everyone, welcome to MathsPar. This video is about coordinate geometry, section and midpoint formulae. How do we derive section formula? How do we derive midpoint formula? So, x-axis, y-axis, then origin. Let us take one point A of x1 comma y1, another point B of x2 comma y2. Now this is x1, this is y1. So the point is A of x1 comma y1. Then this is x2, this is y2. So the point is B of x2 comma y2. Now this is AB line segment joining x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Now if point P of x comma y is dividing this line segment AB in the ratio m is to n, how do we find the coordinates of this point P and how do we derive? Let us see. This point is x, this is y, then the distance between these two is x minus x1, the distance between these two is x2 minus x, the distance between these two is y minus y1, the distance between these two is y2 minus y. Then here you observe that we are getting two right angle triangles and this is x minus x1, this is y minus y1, and this, if you write this intersection as D, this intersection as E, then this PE is x2 minus x and this EB is y2 minus y. Now if you observe, because these two lines are parallel and this is acting as a transversal, the angle at A and the angle at P are equal because these two will become corresponding angles. Then we can write that triangle ADP is similar to triangle PEB by angle similarity. Then when two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. So we write AD by PE is equal to DP by EB is equal to AP by PB. Then AD here it is x minus x1, so we are substituting it. PE is x2 minus x, we have substituted. DP is y minus y1, we have substituted. Then EB is y2 minus y, we have substituted. AP is m parts, we have substituted. PB is n parts, we have substituted. Now let us consider x minus x1 by x2 minus x is equal to m by n. Then let us cross multiply. Then it will become n into x minus x1 is equal to m into x2 minus x. That is nx minus nx1 is equal to mx2 minus mx. minus mx, if we take it to left hand side, nx plus mx is equal to mx2. Take it to right hand side, it is plus nx1. X is common in both, so n plus m is remaining inside, then mx2 plus nx1. Then n plus m is in multiplication. If you send it to the other side, it will go into the denominator, and x coordinate of this point P is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Then let us consider y minus y1 by y2 minus y is equal to m by n. Then n into y minus y1 is equal to m into y2 minus y. Then ny minus ny1 is equal to my2 minus my. Minus my, bring it to left hand side. Then it will become plus my. Then minus ny1, send it to the right hand side. Then it will become plus ny1. Then y is common here, into n plus m is equal to my2 plus ny1. Then y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is the y coordinate of point P, which is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. So section formula will be given by P of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now midpoint formula. To find midpoint formula, first let us take 2 points, a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2. Midpoint means it will bisect the given line segment in two equal parts. That is, say ratio as, suppose if m is to n is given, m is equal to n here. Now by using section formula, if you find for m, it is mx2, that is m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now because m is the midpoint, m and n are equal, so we write here mx2 plus mx1 by m plus m. Why? Because m is equal to n. So in place of n, we have substituted m. Then my2 plus my1 by m plus m. Now m, which is the midpoint, is m is common in the numerator. So x2 plus x1 is inside. Then m plus m, 2m. Then m is common, y2 plus y1 is remaining in the bracket, then m plus m is 2m. Now m in the numerator and denominator will get cancelled for both the coordinates. Then m is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, and this is called the midpoint formula. That is, when a line segment is having x1 y1 and x2 y2, then the midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is how we derive section formula and midpoint formula. Thank you.